Ready to kick off your crypto trading journey on BingX? Great! Let's get started with the BingX app and a BingX account. Visit the App Store or Google Play to download the BingX app on your iOS or Android device. Or click the download icon on the BingX website, scan the QR code, and choose from the following options. On the BingX app home screen, tap the avatar icon and then sign up. Use your email or phone number. Set a strong password that meets the requirements. Enter a referral code if you have one. Referral codes can't be used after sign-ups. Tap Sign Up. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone to complete the process. We're excited to have you. Scan the QR code to download the BingX app now.